Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Google Sites to create an affiliate website. First, you want to go onto sites.google.com, as you can see right here. Once you're on this page, the next thing you will need to decide on is which affiliate program you're going to be using. For example, you could decide to use Amazon, as Amazon is one of the best affiliate programs around, and it is also beginner friendly. The other thing that you could also use, you could sign up to Shopify affiliate program, or if you are not sure what type of affiliate program you'd like to use, depending on the type of products that you like or the type of product that you would like to recommend. For example, if you like sneakers, you could simply type in Nike affiliate program, and by simply typing in Nike affiliate program, from there you'll be able to sign up to the Nike affiliate program and start making some money. Or let's say, for example, you're into technology. From there, for example, if you would like to promote, for example, a projector, you could simply type in projector affiliate program, and from there you'll be able to see numerous affiliate programs. It all depends on what type of niche you'd like to go in, as majority of the companies you can see even Pretty Little Thing as an affiliate program, and also you can select any one of these. It all depends on the niche that you want to go in. So if you want to sell clothing, if you want to sell technology, or if you want to create a broad niche website, you could use Amazon, for example. And if you are going to use Amazon, all you'll have to do once you have signed up, and to sign up to Amazon affiliate program, you could simply type in Amazon right here, Amazon affiliate program, and you'll select Amazon affiliate program, sign up, and from there you'll be able to select the Amazon.com associates right here, central, and you'll be able to sign up. And again, you are able to sign up for completely free. For this example, I'll be using Amazon, and all you'll have to do is tap on the search bar, and let's say, for example, I want to create an affiliate website about projector. So I will simply type in projector, and then from here you could scroll down. So let's say you want to create a website on the top 10 projectors. From the left hand menu option, you'll see customer reviews. From there we are going to select from 4 stars up, as we want the highest rated. Then you are going to scroll down, and from here you'll see the different prices. If you would like to, for example, do best projectors under $100, you could simply type in right where you see max. You could type in $100, then select go. After you have done that, it will show you only projectors that are under $100. And you can see right here, these are the best selling projectors under $100 on Amazon. And from there you'll be able to create a top 10, or you could create a top 5 list. So once you have done that, you can select the projector that you'd like to use. So for example, this one, let's say we want to create our first article on this particular projector. All you'll have to do is select the projector. After you have done that, you're going to go back onto Google Sites. Then once on Google Sites, you have 2 options. You can either select a blank template, or you can select template gallery, and from there you can see the different templates that you can choose from. So you could scroll down and see if you see any that you like, but for this example I'm going to be using a blank template. So I will select blank. After selecting blank, you are going to be redirected to this page. And the first thing I want you to do, you could change the title, so you'll add your website title right there. After you have done that, you're going to select pages, as we want to start creating our page. So from there, you can add the page title. So as I said, my first page will be on this projector right here. So I will simply copy the name of the projector. Then I'm going to go back into Google Sites. So I'll go back into Google Sites, and I'm going to paste the name right here. So I'll paste the name right there. After you have pasted the name, from there you'll be able to edit it. So for example, you can change the font size, and you can also change the style of the font. So I'll change the style, and I'll also change the size. as you can see right there, and you can also change the color if you want, so you can edit it to your liking. You can also change the size right here of the header type, so you could tap on header type, and from there you can select title only, or you can select large banner, or you could select cover. It is completely up to you. After you have done that, the next thing I want you to do right there, you are going to select insert from the top right hand corner. After you have selected insert, from there you'll be able to select what you would like to input on your page. So for example, we'll select content blocks, so we are going to be adding content. After selecting content blocks, you will see the option to add a video, and you can also add text. So we are going to go back into Amazon. Okay, one of the beautiful things about Amazon affiliate program is Amazon provides you with numerous content that you can use on your website. So for example, in the bottom left hand corner, you can see 5 videos right here. Any one of these videos you'll be able to add to your website. So for example, you can play the video and see if you see any that you like and that you would like to use, and you can add these videos to your website so that persons can get a visual of how the projector or the item will look. And another thing that I would also recommend that you do is scroll down, and from there you can read more about the particular product if you don't know about it. And by the way, the extension that I would recommend you use if you're planning to do Amazon affiliate program is this one right here. Let me give you the name. It is called Video Downloader Professional. And as you can see right here, once you have played a video on your website, or better yet on Amazon, you'll be able to download the video. As you can see right here, all you'll have to do is tap on download to download the particular video, and then from there you'll be able to add it onto your website. And another thing you can also do, you could scroll down and you can read more about the particular item that you're planning to promote. So you can scroll all the way down and you can read the feedback of what other persons have asked about this product. As you can see the questions, and you can also see the answers, so that you can get a better understanding of that particular product. And let's go back onto Google Sites. So once on Google Sites, you can add the text right here, and by going over to the right and menu option after selecting insert, if you would like to add a text box, you could tap on text box. If you would like to add images, you could select images, and you can also scroll down and you can see the different editing option. And once you're finished editing your website, all you'll do is tap on publish. And by the way, you are able to preview it on both mobile and also tablet, as you can see right here. So you can select which one of these devices you'd like to preview it on, and you will simply select publish to publish your particular website, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.